Perforated eardrum. Introduction. Please point to the eardrum. Choose one of the following options. Correct. The eardrum is a thin layer of tissue deep inside the ear. It is oval-shaped. Middle ear infections, injury, and very loud noises can cause an eardrum to rupture. Select true or false. Correct. Bloody drainage from the ear may be an indication that the eardrum has ruptured. Select true or false. Correct. Not everybody that has a perforated eardrum sees bloody drainage. A ruptured eardrum can cause frequent ear infections. Select true or false. Correct. Water infected with bacteria could get through the hole in the inner ear when an eardrum ruptures. A perforated eardrum could heal on its own. Select true or false. Correct. If the hole or tear is small, the eardrum may heal on its own. Thank you for using Explain.